Every time that you are looking for a product online and you decide not to buy it, suddenly you start seeing ads for that product all over the internet, right? Welcome to Facebook retargeting. Retargeting is one of the most efficient digital marketing tools used by large corporations like Netflix, Amazon, and Google. And today, this technology is available to you. But how do you implement retargeting on your Facebook marketing? And how can you optimize it to skyrocket your results and save money? How can you define your target audience to make sure that your Facebook ads are shown only to people that have a real interest in your products and services, to people that are looking for your products right now? What are the things you need to do and the things you need to avoid? Not using retargeting on your Facebook ads will cause you to lose money, lose potential customers, and spend time with no results. A good Facebook marketing campaign will give you outstanding results, engaging your audience, increasing your sales and revenue, and inspiring your followers to take action and buy your products or services. Welcome to the most complete and efficient Facebook retargeting training. By the end of this course, you will have a complete Facebook retargeting campaign running 24 hours a day, generating sales, reaching your ideal audience, and helping your business to grow. And remember, this is the same system used by the marketing department of giant corporations that are dominating the market today. You will learn how to create two different retargeting strategies for cold and warm traffic to guarantee that you have the best results. You will also learn how to install the Facebook Pixel code on your website and your landing pages. I'll show you also how to create professional landing pages and start collecting your customers' name and email, and all that using free tools. And you will learn how to create the perfect target audience using the Facebook Pixel, and how to do advanced audience creation, combining the data from more than one pixel to ensure you are targeting only people that will buy your products and services. And you will learn how to track action or events that your customers perform on your website, using that on your Facebook marketing. And as a bonus, I'll share with you the complete strategy to create and optimize your Facebook page and make sure you have all the tools to exponentially grow the number of likes on your page. Remember that it's not enough just to watch all the videos and lectures, but the real results come when you take action and apply the strategies. That's why in this course you will find student assignments. Each assignment was designed in a way to help you apply the strategies you learn on each module, so the results that you want are almost guaranteed. I'm sure you will absolutely love this course, and by the end you will have Facebook ads generating sales and bringing customers and followers to your business every day. But if for any reason you don't like the course, you can request a full refund in the first 30 days. No question asked. With all this guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Enroll now and let's start using all the power of Facebook ads to generate more sales, attract more followers to your business, and grow exponentially your online presence right now.